y'all, we're back. Anyway, we're going to be putting oil on the lips now. And I've got some colors mixed up. I put in some vermilion hue. And mixed up some permanent alizarin crimson. And some cadmium red. And the one that seems to be working the best is the vermilion hue. And this tiny little tube of paint that's called Portrait Pink. Anyway, mix a little bit of that, and we're going to start at the top here and work our way down. And we're going to do this kind of outer limits of the lips. Alright, let's get started. I'm working with one of Michael James Smith's Rosemary & Co. brushes. And I'm using a little liquid because we already got color here. We're going to kind of just go over it with the oils. And we're going to try to see where things are and get the colors in there right. And then we'll go in with the details. But I'm not going to be doing a hell lot of talking because I'm having audio issues. And I'll probably just do a whole voiceover over this whole thing. So let's get at it. Let's start over here. Alright y'all, I'm going to scroll some colors for you just in case you want to paint some big lips for yourself. Now right now I'm not too concerned with the detail, I'm just trying to get some oil paint over the acrylic. For the darker shadowed area, I used alizarin crimson mixed with burnt umber. And this is where I'm putting in all the details. I'm using my liner brush, and the colors are burnt umber and alizarin crimson.
There are a lot of little cracks and crevices in these lips, and you'll see me looking back and forth at the reference photo, making sure that I'm trying to get every one of them in there. But if you miss a few, that's okay. It don't have to be exactly like the photo. But the more details you get into it, the more realistic your finished product's gonna look. Again, I'd like to apologize for standing directly in front of your view. I try to be aware of where I'm at, but sometimes I just get so into it I forget. Right now I'm working on trying to get those shadows on the teeth. Looking pretty good, but wait till you get the highlights on those lips. One thing I think I would have done differently is I would have waited until the red on the lips completely dried to put the highlights on. I had to be very careful not to make my highlights turn pink, putting the white over top of the wet red paint. Try to say that 5 times real fast. Wet red paint. Anyway, it was tricky. This is the part that makes you say, wow. I just want to say that I really enjoyed painting these lips. It was a fun painting to do, and I hope you enjoyed watching me paint these lips. And I'd like to ask y'all a favor. If you would, like, subscribe, share, tell your friends about me, and it'd really help me out. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching, and I guess I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.